So, good morning. Today is the day where we are going to fly back, hopefully to Munich. And I think we have to go at 12 o'clock to Lisbon airport. And hopefully there's no delayed plane or something else. So, back at the hotel. Now we have to pack our things, because we are going to the airport. So I'm finally in the airport, in the gates, and our flight is at 7:30. So now I'm sitting in front of the gate and the plane leaves in 4 hours. So now filming another time lapse while eating this nice gums. So after 7 hours at the airport, we are finally boarding.
Please remain seated with your
Bye. So we finally made it, only 24 hours later, but we made it. So now my trip is over and I didn't film something because it was very early in the morning when we came home. But I hope you liked my videos and I see you on the next trip. Bye.